DaVinci Resolve 101 for beginners.
Here's how you can download a free sound library that Resolve provides. Click on Sound Library, then click on Download button. It will redirect you to the Blackmagic website. Fill the registration form, accept the terms and download the file. As the download completes, open the file and launch the installer. Accept the term and install the library. After the installation finishes, relaunch DaVinci Resolve and again go to the sound library option. Now you can search for whatever sound effects you want. Let's try water. You can preview them and drop them onto your timeline like this.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos.